Hello everybody, welcome to TurboDismount. This is a special video. Yeah, let's play. Okay, motorcycle. Let's try this. Boom. Oh my goodness. Okay. Optimus White. Optimus White. Is it done? I'm alive. I'm alive. Yeah. Oh yeah, movie time. Oh. Bang on. Oh, TurboDismount, the movie. Okay, let's put some this. Wanna put some this. Hi, Lord. Okay. Oh, the Juggernaut. By the way, guys, just gonna watch this for a second. Sorry for my cough, everybody. We're just gonna see this. Yeah. Magic Rush, blah blah blah. Okay, next. We're trying. The Juggernaut, boom! The Curtis game 17. The Juggernaut, here's the boom! The Juggernaut comes and wrecks the place. Come on, and bagoom. Bagoom. First part 2. Monster Truck, woo! Okay, in a great position now, boys. Epic fail, horns. Okay, let's change the map. Okay, let's change the map. Let's go. More chase. Okay, come on, I'm the Juggernaut, and Juggernaut doesn't scare little cars, but maybe police cars. Let's see. Charge, Mr. Juggernaut! Charge! Wait. Move it down. Oh no! What? Oh no, what happened to the car? What happened to the car? What? Okay. What happened to the car? Oh, no. Move it, trailer. Okay, just gonna put this. I'm just gonna change the ways. Last one, jump into the Juggernaut. Come on! Oh no! Wait a minute. And fail. Epic fail. The Juggernaut is stuck on a tree. No. Let's find another car. No. I'm just gonna go. Maximus Prime! Go, go, come on, Maximus Prime, come on! Woo, woo! Go, Maximus Prime! Bye! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What happened to the driver? What happened? Oh, there's a car. No, don't go. The car's still going. The car's still going. And bang! Okay, drips and go. Finally. Sorry everyone for my voice. Come on. Okay. Okay, this is the last of the day. Token bird. Wait a minute. I know a level for this. Okay. Gonna believe the eyes. Wait, I can't chop her right? Okay. I can fly, this is my voice. I believe I can fly. Go, birdie, go! And foremost! But token card can't and oh no! The bird's still going. The bird's still up. Okay, go, go! Boinks. Ow. Is it done? Oh, where am I? Oh, am I okay? Yeah, you're okay. Okay. Cinematic mode. Token bird can fly. And Mike. Well, that's about it for. See you guys in the next episode of TurboDismount. See you guys later or tomorrow, I guess. Bye.